then look away because I gotta show somebody that one time you told me never been opened or used. Yep.
I'm
Alright, so I'm
recording.
gonna draw your tongue. Then this point you're just gonna keep it out.
Oh,
Now she slips and goes through your eye.
up your snout. Ow! Ow! It
It's
hurts!
okay, it's okay.
Why? It's not even the needle. It's just
Take a nice deep breath. Stick your tongue out.
Close your eyes.
Your head down a little bit.
Don't panic.
Okay, stick your tongue out. And just close your eyes, okay?
Told you so.
You can grab one shirt if you want.
No.
Okay, here we go, alright? Okay, stick your tongue out. Good girl. Don't move, whatever you do. Good
It's
job.
Your face. It's fine. It's fine.
Please move the jewelry. Please don't move, whatever you do. You're really good. Okay. Don't move, whatever you do. Good job. Here comes the ball. We're just going to screw the ball on.
Hold it like a tree.
I'm just going to crank that ball on through and use it. In your mouth. Put your tongue in your mouth.
Let's get an after education.
Drink it.
Yeah.
See, it wasn't that bad.
You did really good.
It hurt.
What do you expect? You just had a needle shoved through your tongue.
There you go.
Yeah, best thing to do is not play with it like you're doing it, because the more you play with it, it's just going to puff right out. Just take an Advil, ibuprofen, Slurpees, ice water. If you're going to smoke, rinse a lot. If you're going to drink, no beer. That's
No
one of the
beer.
beverages you can't have. Everything else you can have. No spicy food. And rinse with lots of water. And noodles, if you're going to have noodles, just cut it up in small pieces.
There you go.
Like, and how long do you have to do all this for?
She does this for 4 to 5 days, and then you can downsize to normal. Right off.